Are you tired of slow and inefficient performance testing for your applications? Look no further than Azure Load Testing. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this powerful tool. Let's start with easily provisioning infrastructure. When running large-scale performance tests, infrastructure can be a major headache. But with Azure Load Testing, you can quickly and easily provision the necessary infrastructure and start testing right away. And with real-time dashboards, you can monitor your performance tests in real time, allowing you to quickly identify and address any issues or bottlenecks that may arise. For developers looking to automate their load testing process, Azure Load Testing integrates seamlessly with continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. This ensures consistent and accurate tests every time. And with a pay-per-use pricing model, Azure Load Testing makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to access its services without breaking the bank. Overall, Azure Load Testing is a comprehensive solution for improving your performance testing process. With an easy-to-use interface, integrated support for GitHub and Azure pipelines, and a pay-per-use model, it's an ideal choice for any application team. So why wait? Try out Azure Load Testing today and see the difference it can make for your app's performance.